Let's make some delicious chicken tandoori popcorns. These are so quick and easy and so tasty. Hi and welcome back to Garfin's creation. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. So to begin with the recipe, let's marinate the chicken first. Into a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of curds or dahi. Next, I'll be adding tandoori chicken masala, that is 1 tablespoon. Use any brand here. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 3/4 teaspoon salt or as per your taste. 1/4 teaspoon Carom or Ajwain seeds and add them in. Next, add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon mustard or any vegetable oil will do. 1 tablespoon besan or gram flour. Mix them all well. Once this is mixed well, I'll be adding boneless chicken pieces. I have taken chicken breasts here and cubed them into 1-inch pieces. This is around 300 grams. Add it to the marination and mix it well. Next, I'll be adding some food color. This is orange red color. You can use tandoori color here too. This is totally optional. So now once this is done, I will leave it aside for at least half an hour so the chicken marinates well. Next, let's prepare the coating powder that we need to coat the chicken with. I have taken half a cup maida or all-purpose flour. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon chicken tandoori masala powder. Mix it all well. You need to prepare 2 batches of the same flour for coating. It's half an hour, so now let's prepare the chicken popcorns. Add the marinated chicken pieces into the maida mix and coat it well. And then dust off the excess maida and keep it aside. Now we'll continue doing this for all the chicken pieces. We'll roll it well into the maida and then dust off the excess and keep it on a plate. This is the first coating. We will be doing one more after this. These chicken popcorns are good starters for any parties. You can prepare them well in advance and then just fry them at the time of serving. So all the chicken pieces are well coated with the maida mix. And now let's do the second coating. Prepare the same coating as we had done before using maida, salt and chicken tandoori masala. The ingredients and the measurements will all be the same. Do check the description box for the detailed recipe and all the ingredients with their measurements. Now once this is done, into the same marination bowl, add some ice cubes and some chilled cold water into it. You can rinse the bowl with the same water. Next, dip the chicken pieces into the chilled water and then into the maida. As the water is very chilled, the coating will not get dissolved in the water. Be doing this in batches. Do few at a time. After dipping in the chilled water, roll the chicken pieces well into the maida, pressing a little so the coating sticks to it, and then dust off the excess maida coating from it. This will give a nice crackling, crusty outer coating for the chicken once they are fried. Continue doing this for all the chicken pieces. You can make the chicken popcorns ready till this stage and also leave them in the fridge, and you can fry them later when you are ready to serve them. These chicken popcorns taste best when served hot. They taste excellent when served with any chutney or any dips, mayo dips or even tomato ketchup. Just showing a closer look on how the chicken pieces look after the excess maida has been dropped off. This will make the chicken popcorn very crispy and flaky. Once you're finished with the second coating, it's time to deep fry the chicken popcorns. Add sufficient vegetable oil into a hot kadai and heat the oil well. The oil is well hot now. Add the chicken pieces, a few at a time. We will fry the chicken popcorns on medium flame till they are nice and golden brown on all the sides. These popcorns will take around 3 to 4 minutes to get well cooked. But you need to keep stirring them in between. I'm sure chicken popcorns are everyone's favorite. Do try this twist in the chicken popcorns by adding chicken tandoori masala into your chicken popcorns. Fry these chicken popcorns till they are nice and golden brown. It's been about 3 to 4 minutes now and these are looking well fried. I'll get them out and you can see how good and crispy they look. You can always double the recipe. For sure, these are going to get over the moment they are out of the pan. So do make large quantities of these. Continue frying the chicken popcorns in batches. And now let me show you how crispy they are. These chicken tandoori popcorns are so juicy and tender from inside and very crispy from the outside. Hope you'll be trying this recipe soon and leave your comments below. Also don't forget to sprinkle some chaat masala on these popcorns before serving. If you like the chicken tandoori popcorn recipe, do share it with others too. And also do comment and subscribe to Garfin's creation. I just fried few of them and the rest I'll be keeping in the fridge to fry later. I'll just cling wrap them and keep it in the fridge. Just sprinkling some chaat masala over the fried popcorns. They're all set to serve. Thanks a lot for watching this recipe. Until we meet again in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.